What is up, beautiful people? So this time we are going to be making an electric lemonade. If you've never had it, well, I don't know what to tell you. But we're going to be making it. So this is kind of similar to the blue motorcycle. It has all of 5 liquors, some soda, some Sprite. I have lemon up. Get you some Sprite. I just didn't want to buy any because Walmart was closed. So I got it from Food Lion. And Food Lion had the lemon up. So, we are going to do a ½ ounce of everything. And if you didn't watch the other video that I made showing you how to free pour, you should watch it, because then you'll know how to use it too. So, I'm just going in order actually. So, tequila being first, we're going to do ½ ounce. That's ½ ounce of tequila, ½ ounce of rum, ½ ounce of triple sec, ½ ounce of gin, and ½ ounce of vodka. Is anyone else hot? I'm hot. Oh, forgot. Sweet and sour mix. Or if you don't have sweet and sour mix, you can use simple syrup and lime juice. And honestly, that probably tastes a lot better, but I already bought sweet and sour mix, so we're gonna use this until it's gone. Pour a little bit of that in there. Doesn't really matter how much, just pour enough. Pop this top one, rinse your cat if you've been making drinks before, and shake it up. About 3 to 5 times. The cup will get really cold, that's when you know to stop. Pour that in there. And hit it with that lemon up. Lemon, lemon, lemon. And that, my friends, is an electric lemonade. I'm not gonna drink it because I gotta take a picture and I ain't take one yet. But believe me, it smells great.